In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link to an email address in Squarespace. Squarespace is a popular website builder, known for its sleek designs and user-friendly interface. Linking to an email address on your Squarespace site can be a great way to provide a simple means for visitors to contact you directly. Let's dive into this step-by-step guide. Begin by opening your web browser and navigating to your Squarespace website editor. This is where you'll have access to all the elements of your website. Once you're in, you'll see the layout of your pages. To start editing, click on the text to which you want to add the email link. This text could be anything from a call to action, like "Contact us," to a simple mention of an email address. After clicking on the text, your next step is to enter the editing mode. You will see a button labeled Edit. Click on it to make changes to the text block you have selected. This is key to unlocking the ability to alter text, adding links, and customizing the presentation to meet your needs. Once you are in editing mode, you'll want to highlight the specific text you intend to transform into an email link. Be sure to highlight just the necessary part, as only this highlighted section will be hyperlinked. With your text highlighted, look for the link icon, usually represented by a chain link symbol. Clicking on this will open a new menu where you can specify the type of link you wish to create. Here, you'll want to select the option for an email link. To do this, click the arrow to see more options and choose the email option from the drop-down list. Next, you'll be prompted to type in the actual email address you want your text to link to. Make sure you enter it correctly to avoid any communication issues later on. It's also a good practice to include a subject line. This can guide the conversation and make it easier for you to understand the context of the email you receive from site visitors. Following that, you can customize the highlight option for your linked text. This is particularly useful if you want your link to stand out more prominently on the page. Finally, after reviewing all your entries, ensure everything looks just right. Once satisfied, click on Save to finalize your edits. Saving your changes will apply them to your live Squarespace site, making the email link accessible to all your visitors. And there you have it. Following these steps will seamlessly integrate a clickable email link into your Squarespace site, enhancing your visitors' experience and providing a straightforward way for them to reach out to you. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this guide helpful.